Anyone requiring access to Aimsio, including employees using our mobile app, will need a user account. To add a user, navigate to the Users tab under your account's master data settings. Each new user will require a first and last name and a unique username. Usernames are not email addresses and cannot include a top-level domain like .com or .ca, though they still require an @ symbol and will use the company name associated with your account. If users are being created for your sandbox environment, Aimsio requires that you append a -sandbox to the end of the username. Aimsio provides accounts with up to 6 roles. Each role will come with its own set of policies that influence what actions can be performed in your account, as well as what features or reports can be accessed. At least one role is required before a user can be created, but a user can have more than one role. Learn more about Aimsio's access management platform by visiting support.aimsio.com. Administrators are required to create a temporary password when adding a user for the first time. Passwords can be changed from inside Aimsio's web app by clicking your name and selecting Change Password. Administrators can also change a password on behalf of a user by navigating to the Users tab and clicking the Action button to the left of a user. A password reset can also be requested from Aimsio's login page. Admins will have the option to deliver login instructions directly to users as their accounts are created. An email notification can be sent with instructions on how to set their password, download Aimsio's mobile app, and log in to their Aimsio account. To initiate this notification, ensure the box is checked when setting up a new user before saving. Admins can also send instructions to a previously created user from the Users tab by selecting the Action button and clicking Send Login Instructions. It's also possible to create users in bulk by importing a compatible CSV file into Aimsio. Start by downloading your existing user's CSV from the right of the Users tab. When adding new users, be sure to leave the GUID column blank for any new user row being added to the file. Back in Aimsio, choose the appropriate import option and select your CSV. Multiple users can be sent login instructions when successfully importing a CSV. While user accounts are required for logging into Aimsio and performing tasks, accounts will also need to manage a list of employees, to schedule staff on jobs, track hours on timesheets and tickets, or report on labor costs. Employees can be added from the Master Data Employees tab. If a user is created prior to an employee being created, administrators can link those two records together. User accounts that do not have an employee linked will encounter a warning each time they log into Aimsio's web portal. To link an employee to a user, navigate to the Employees tab. Find the employee you'd like to link. Use the Action button on the left and select Edit. Use the Linked User dropdown and select the corresponding user account before saving. If a user account is deactivated, linked employees will still be active. Administrators will also have to change an employee's status to inactive. This works both ways. So if an employee is made inactive and has a linked user account, the user account will need to be deactivated separately. If an employee record was created first, it's possible to quickly convert that employee to a user. Find the employee you'd like to convert, use the action button on the left, and select Convert to User. To learn more about managing your account, visit our Help Center at support.aimsio.com.